husband and his wife days. And his friend had a cabin up in the National Falls. He ends up with a whole fair. Potato chips on TV.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I was down in Virginia. When I was down in Virginia, we used to go to McDonald's. We used to buy big family packs of fries, and then we go down to the beach. And we take a couple French fries and throw them out, and there'd be like one or two. You throw a couple more, and there'd be like hundreds of them. And we stick and throw them in there with it because a bird can't pass gas, so it explodes there. And you actually could see them; they'd be flying off, and I was like, phew, down they go. It actually did that. It's like, wow, that really does work.